Now we start exercise 3.6, question number 1, sub question number 6. Solve the pair of linear equation 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. तो केस नंबर 1, इफ x इक्वल टू 0 पुट करें, y इक्वल टू हम 0 पुट करेंगे, तो 6 इंटू 0 प्लस 3 इंटू 0 इक्वल टू 6 इंटू 0 मीन्स 0 इक्वल टू 0. दिस सेटिस्फाई द इक्वेशन. सिमिलरली इक्वेशन 2 के अंदर 0 प्लस 0 इक्वल टू 0 इक्वल टू 0, therefore x equal to 0 and y equal to 0 satisfy the both equation. Therefore one of the solution is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. What is the solution? The value of variable which satisfy the equation, then it is said to be a solution. हमने x equal to 0 पुट कर दिया, y equal to भी 0 पुट कर दिया, 6 into 0 हो गया, तो 0 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0, y equal to 0 satisfy the equation. Therefore it is one of the solution is x equal to 0 and y equal to 0. Now we can take the case number 2. If x not equal to 0 and y not equal to 0, अगर x की वैल्यू 0 नहीं है, y की वैल्यू 0 नहीं है, now we solve 6x plus 3y equal to 6xy. Equation number 2, 2x plus 4y equal to 5xy. Now we divide xy both sides. xy divided by xy. So we can write divide xy to both the equation. We get here x is cancelled, y is cancelled, xy also cancel, x is cancel, y cancel, xy is cancel. We obtain the 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equal to 6. Second equation 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equal to 5. We separate the 6 and 1 upon y. So 6 into 1 upon y, 3 into 1 upon x equal to 6. Second equation 2 into 1 upon y plus 4 into 1 upon x equal to 5. In both equation 1 upon y and 1 upon x. By reducing method, let 1 upon y equal to m and 1 upon x equal to n. We make a reducing form. So 1 upon y equal to m, therefore we get 6m plus 3n equal to 6, 2m plus 4n equal to 5. 3 is common, 2m plus n equal to 6, 2m plus n equal to 6 upon 3, 3 2 ja, so 2m plus n equal to 2. This is reducing form of equation number 1. This is equation number 2 in reducing form. We eliminate the value. So 2m plus n equal to 2. This is equation number 1. 2m plus 4n equal to 5. This is equation number 2. Here 2 both equal. We change the sign, we subtract equation 2 from 1. So plus 2m minus 2m will be cancelled. Minus 4n plus n, so minus 3n. Minus 5 minus 2, so minus 3. Both sides negative cancel. N equal to 3 upon 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja 1. N equal to 1. So 3 upon 3. 3 1 ja, therefore n equal to 1. Now we put n equal to 1 in equation number 1. 2m plus n equal to 2. 2m plus 1 equal to 2. 2m equal to 2 minus 1. 2m equal to 1. m equal to 1 upon 2. हमने क्या किया, हमने पास इक्वेशन था कि 2m plus n equal to 2. Second equation 2m plus 4n equal to 5. Both m's are equal. So we subtract equation 2 from 1. m cancel. So 2m cancel. So 4m minus 3n equal to 5 minus 3, so 3. So n equal to 3 upon 3. So n equal to 1. Now put the n equal to 1 in equation. Equation number 1. So 2m plus n equal to 2. 2m plus n equal to 2. So 2m plus n equal to 2. So m equal to 2 minus 1, 1. So m equal to 1 upon 2. We obtain m equal to 1 upon 2. But we initially suppose 1 upon y equal to m equal to 1 upon 2. 1 upon x equal to n equal to 1. Therefore y equal to 2, x equal to 1. Therefore solution of pair of equation x equal to 1, y equal to 2. This is answer. We solve this question by the elimination method.